Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now for today's video, I'm going to show you the best Black Friday deals in 2020 if you're a photographer, videographer, filmmaker, anything. If you like camera stuff, this video is for you. Now everyone's projects are so unique and everyone needs different types of gear. So I'm gonna try to go over a wide variety of awesome Black Friday deals. Now the first deals that I'm gonna talk about is for Canon. Now Canon on their own website has a boatload of Black Friday deals. Whether it's the EOS RP, it's on sale for $999 when it's normally $1,400. EOS 5D Mark IV, $200 off. The 90D with a lens kit, $200 off. And the list goes on and on and on as far as camera bodies. A lot of them are $100 or $200 off, which comes about like 20% off, which is not bad. Now, as far as the lenses, the savings are pretty minuscule. They're only about like $50 to $100 off. You can take a look at them. I personally love Canon glass, but they're not very discounted for Black Friday, so that's not what we're looking for. But if you head on over to B&H, they do have some pretty awesome camera lens deals. Their Sigma line is on sale, and these are some of the best deals that I've found so far for camera lenses. Their 18 to 35 is $120 off, and you get 2 free items, which is a USB dock and also a UV protector filter. Their art lens, 35mm, $200 off. Their 24 to 70, $240 off. And then their 50mm art lens is $150 off. Now most of these are gonna come with the 2 free items that I discussed. Now most of the free items are the UV protector and then also the USB dock. So head on over to B&H and check out their lens deals. The best that I found so far is the Sigma line. And speaking of B&H, they have about $500 off a couple of the Sony mirrorless cameras. They have about $500 off of the Sony a7R IV, the A9, and then they have $300 off of the a7 III. Also, if you're a mount guy, B&H has up to 30% off of Eldkrone. I can't really say that properly, but they have a whole line of products and all of them are 30% off, so make sure you check that out. All right, now moving to the Sky. DJI says that they have up to 46% off of some of their products, but the only thing that I really found that was discounted is their action camera. All the drones are 5% off, which is discounted, so if you're looking to get those, you still get some money back, but not very spectacular. Now, if you like Peak Design, the brand itself, they are offering 20% off of their line. Now, they're a little pricey to begin with, but they are very well made, so it's great quality, so you get that little bit off. Now, for all the little small things like SD cards, let's say extra batteries, like mounts and wires, I would go to Amazon. They have some pretty awesome deals on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I'm not gonna highlight them though, because there's just too much random stuff out there. But make sure you check Amazon on Black Friday and Cyber Monday to see if you can find some pretty good deals on some of the smaller stuff like SD cards. And next, if you want to jump into subscription services, Adobe is offering 25% off of their Creative Cloud. So depending on which package you get, it could be up to 25%. I also did a video on my other channel on how to save 50% on the Adobe subscription service, so make sure to check that out. Also, LumeCube is offering up to 35% off some of their products. This right there, my backlight, is a LumeCube. I love their products, so make sure you check out some of their deals. And now, if you want to hit action cams, GoPro specifically always has some pretty good Black Friday deals. I think they've mastered this whole Black Friday scenario. And they have $200 off of their Hero 9 bundle. They also have $100 off of their Hero 8. There's just so many GoPros. There's so many iPhones, so many GoPros. Now, if you're not the type of person to buy things, Lens Pro 2 Go, it's really hard for me to remember that, is offering 25% off of their camera lens rental service. So make sure to go to their website and check out some of their stuff if you don't want to buy and just want to rent and still have those savings. All right, and that is it. Those are all of the best deals on Black Friday that I've found for photographers, filmmakers, videographers, If you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.